What's going on, you guys? I figured I might as well just do this video without a beginning intro. So today's video, what we're going to be doing is a few things. This will be the Rally Project episode number 1 because we're doing a couple of things today and things I'm going to be learning today. I'm going to Lachute Perfomance, basically to do full exhaust on my car. And we're going to be doing oil change and spark plug change as well. And what I really like about Lachute Perfomance is that they actually let me go in their garage and literally I can go underneath my car and like film and ask them questions. They're very friendly people, like super friendly, so I can't wait for that. Now apparently what my friend told me is that they have a new law now for modifications. So basically last time I got pulled over by a cop, which was like a couple of years ago with my Hawkeye on my 06 Impreza, cop told me it was around 168 for an exhaust ticket. Apparently they boosted it up to like $314, and it's not per 30 days. They can give you a ticket every single day for it, so it's kind of retarded. And it's weird, it's only in Quebec that we have this rule. I don't know about other provinces, so yeah, first I don't get why Quebec is very strict when it comes to these exhaust laws. Like Alberta, Ontario, and you know, those kind of regions, you know, they're more lenient. Here for some reason they're just strict as fuck. I don't know why. So we are going to get rid of this muffler. I'm probably gonna just put it on for sale, and we'll see how much I can get for it. I'm just gonna sell the muffler itself. The piping, I'm gonna be keeping all the piping, the original piping, and I also have my stock muffler literally right there. Always keep it because now the rules for exhaust and modifications are a bit more serious, only here in Quebec for some reason. So originally I was supposed to be going to a different garage near my friend's house. I spoke to a guy named Vince this morning, and unfortunately he tells me that my 10:30 appointment wasn't good anymore because something about the lifts not being available or something like that. And his father was there, and they were both very nice people. They were really cool. And they told me to come back tomorrow morning, but I'm working tomorrow, so I'm not available. So I went ahead, I contacted Lachute. I'm like, do you guys have room? He tells me, yep, 1 o'clock. What do you want to do? I want to do my full exhaust, oil change, and spark plug change. Lachute gave me a really good price for my exhaust install, since it's literally a direct bolt-on. They told me around 15 to 30 minutes, so around $50, not more than that for the exhaust. So it's pretty damn good. And we're gonna do oil change and spark plug change. So at least the car gets the full tune-up and it'll be healthy now. So I'm using this kind of oil, basically. Always regular. I don't use synthetic anymore. I used to run synthetic with my 06 Hawkeye Impreza, but synthetic I tend to leak a lot of oil and stuff, and with regular oil I leak much less. Always use OEM Subaru filters. They're the best ones. I always order them. And spark plugs, obviously, guys, and very important when you buy a new car, especially for Subaru. Give it its basic tune-up. And now I'm gonna show you guys the exhaust. It's a big boy. It's a big boy. Now, the only thing I'm sketchy about Lachute is that I did have a huge accident last time. You guys could check it up on my YouTube, on my channel, a few videos ago, where I got into a really bad accident with my grandmother. She's fine, by the way. She's doing good now. She's much better than before. I realized in Lachute, you have to go like at least a 90 or 100 or more, even like 100 or more even on those highways, because it's one way to go and one way to go like that. So I'm not going to be traveling at 80-90 kilometers because then I'll be impeding traffic, which is basically blocking other people from behind you to go. So I'm going to be going at least 110 or something, just so I could be good. But there's one intersection that really scares me, and that's the one where you gotta make that double stop because you gotta look both ways, and some people don't pay attention behind you and they just slam right into you. So it's gonna be sketchy, but you know what, at the end of the day, it has to be done. And at least at Lachute, they know their shit and they specialize in Subarus. So this is basically the mid pipe for my exhaust. This is the NVIDIA N1 catback exhaust. I've waited a while for this, as a matter of fact. I'm not sure why I ordered it with Auto Authentics. I didn't order it online because I wasn't sure if it was direct bolt-on, because when I typed in WRX hatchback, I wasn't sure if it was the same dynameter for my car, so I had my boys at Auto Authentics order it for me. That way they know their shit. But yeah, this took me a couple of months for me to receive it. Apparently they were out of stock and they had to restock it all. So little resonator right there. It's like a little, it's so small, it's hilarious. I love it. And I think it's like a 3-inch, if I'm not mistaken, 2.5, but always stainless steel. Always stainless steel over titanium any day. Titanium, it will rust. Stainless steel does not rust, guys. Not in my experience. I mean, this muffler is stainless steel and there's no rust building on it, so boom. Then you got the big boy Canon muffler. I love it. Now, I would have ordered the one on Amazon, the DNA motoring one, which is basically like a cob exhaust, but it's gonna look stockish. It won't look ricey-ish. So unfortunately, that's been out of stock for a couple of months now. I did contact them, and they told me they won't be having any for a while. So yeah. All right, so I finally made it to Lachute Perfomance. So just to give you guys a little example on like engine blocks and stuff like that. Beautiful, nice, iconic right there. Rally blue. Okay, so since I'm under the car, I might as well just show you guys. I don't really think it is a head gasket. I think it's a valve leak because I don't have any symptoms. I'm not losing any oil. I don't have any smoke coming out of the exhaust, so it really all depends on like what it really could be. But I'm doing an engine swap in a few months, so I don't care. Alright, so these are the old spark plugs. As you can see, they're basically fucked and a little bit covered in oil, but yeah, they don't even know how it was still running with it. Alright, so I just finished Lachute Perfomance. So apparently there is like a little donut thing for the exhaust or for the mid pipe or something like that. I don't even know. Maybe you guys can explain to me. So these are the spark plugs that are basically fucked. Yeah, they don't even know how I was running with this for a couple of months. It's crazy. But now I'm going to show you guys some crazy Subarus and get some pictures going on. And yeah, when the car started, it felt so much better though. I loved it. Alright, just got back from Lachute Perfomance and what an incredible experience. I want to give a huge shout out to Mark from Lachute Perfomance. He took me in the same day and he took my car in right away, and those guys took care of my car very, very well. I am very happy with the results. So a couple things we did and a couple things we couldn't do. I'm going to explain it to you guys. So, I did the spark plugs and the oil change. Actually, speaking of spark plugs, I want to show you guys better view of the spark plugs and how they are now. These are the old spark plugs, just to let you know. Alright, to give you a much more perspective view, so these are my old spark plugs. Look how freaking terrible they are. And there is some oil on some of them, but yeah, they're like when they handed me 2 spark plugs, they got Mark literally came up to me and like, dude, how is your car still running when your spark plugs are this bad and this used? So clearly the previous owner did not change it and did not take care of it. Alright, well I just checked. Unfortunately, I don't have the Lachute Perfomance license plate frame, so next time I go there, I'll definitely just grab one. Another cool thing, guys, I've been waiting for this for a while, is I got my 2 stickers by mail, finally. Now, I was expecting these stickers literally to like look much, much more bigger. Like, bigger like I could put on the body itself, but I didn't expect these stickers to be this small. So I'm probably just gonna stick them on my fender, one there and one on the other side. I mean, I don't really want any more stickers in the back. I mean, that's good enough. And no stickers on the window as well. I got my LZ sticker and I got my Paul Walker sticker. I think that's about it. There's one other sticker for the Subaru trunk I'm probably gonna get off eBay that my friend sent me a link to a while back. I don't know if I should put it on the window though, because cops could think it's like obstruction of view. So we gotta be careful with that. All right, so now it's time to talk about the exhaust and what happened. So let's get to it. Bear with me, guys. I know it's probably a long video. I apologize, but I gotta give you guys some news. All right, so for the exhaust. Now, unfortunately, we couldn't install it, and the only reason is because my guys at Auto Authentics, basically my ricer garage, as my friend likes to say it, and he's kind of right, I'm not gonna lie. This is for actually a sedan, not for a hatchback, so it really does suck. The good news is that I spoke to my guys at Auto Authentics, and I told them what happened, and they actually confirmed that it is for a sedan and not for a hatchback. So it will take a lot of custom fitting, due to the exhaust hangers being so high and stuff. So I told the guys that I was not very happy, and I wanted to resolve this issue. And I told them that, listen, I don't want to spend not more than $100 for the full custom fitment for my car for the exhaust, no matter how long it takes. $100 is my budget, and that is it. And the good news is that they agreed and they apologized, and they told me they're gonna make it 100% right and actually install this for me for $100, regardless of how long it will take. So Monday, you guys could expect another video, probably Tuesday when I upload it. It's funny that when I was at Lachute, because they all like my mechanic actually mentioned to me about the head gasket leak. He's like, dude, you got a head gasket leak, you know it, right? I'm like, oh yeah, trust me, dude, I know I got a head gasket leak. But we discussed about it, and I told him that I'm gonna be doing an engine swap anyways, probably this year, 2020. And they also told me, how bad is it? I'm like, well, I'm not losing any oil level, I'm not leaking any oil, and I have no white smoke coming out of the exhaust. So we all agree that it's like maybe not a really serious head gasket issue. It's just a slow process, and they told me I could probably keep running it for another few years. So I'm good for sure. I mean, head gasket's it's a common Subaru issue. I mean, what can you do, right? All right, so took some paper towel and literally cleaned up the surface. I'm actually gonna stick 2 of these on the fender. So one on each side, like always. I'm gonna try to put it in a straight angle, but knowing me and my friend, he knows me very well, I'm probably gonna put the sticker slightly crooked, because I can't measure for shit unless I use like some kind of tape, but I don't have anything, so I gotta literally use my eyes as a measuring tape. But it's all right. Thought I forgot my wallet, but unfortunately I have a little EB Games card. I'm gonna just slide it on and hope for the best. Let's get to it. All right, so not a bad finish. It actually looks straight. I don't see any weird curves or angles being missed. We still have one more we gotta do, but they say don't put stickers on paint, obviously. But this is a rally car, so rally cars, they do have stickers on paint, and I really just don't care. So definitely looks cool. What would also be cool is if I get like other stickers that would make sense and just fill this whole gap right here. Some rally cars actually do have it. If there was like a rally decal sticker kit for a Subaru, even if it's like $200 for the whole kit, you get all the stickers, the decal for the body, stickers here, the hood, everywhere. That'd be pretty cool, but I don't know if they have that such thing. Now, my friend did mention when you're peeling it off, you literally gotta like peel it off in an angle. Don't like rip it off from the sides. Always start from the top, or you could off from the bottom, but always peel it off in a way like this. Probably you can see a bit of bubbles. Me, a little bit of bubbles, but I don't care, me. Always peel it off in sideways like that. All right, so the finishing touches, it looks pretty good. There is obviously a little bit of bubbles, and it's not because I didn't install it right. I'll show you guys on this one here. If it is, so yeah, see, so basically, I don't know if you guys can tell on camera or in the light, but I hate when stickers come wrinkly. I hate that shit. It comes all wrinkly and shit. I don't like that at all. That's why it was hard for me to even install this sticker, because it came all wrinkly and shit and all that dumb stuff. So that's why I don't really like ordering stickers much, is because they don't come packaged in a appropriate way. Again, always want to take your time peeling these off, and make sure you peel it from the top or from the bottom. Doesn't matter, you could go like this, you can go like that. Never peel it from the sides. That's what my friend told me, so I am listening to his advice. And when you do a build, guys, always make sure you take your time and make sure you do it right. Don't just rush into something like this, because doing a rally build, it takes a lot of money and a lot of work. And due to the fact that 08s and 09s are not that easy to work on, you have to do lots of custom fitment. It'll take a lot more time and a lot more money. So make sure you save up, make sure you know what you're doing, you know what you want. And the easiest way to know like what rally cars for Subarus they have, just type it on Google, for images, Google Images, like what Subaru rally cars, what kind of stickers do they have, and stuff like that. And voila, guys. It is straight, it is perfect, and I love this sticker. Alright, so before I wrap up this video, the two stickers came out very clean and everything. So the next two big stickers, or three big stickers, you guys could expect in March. Obviously the huge rally body decal. I'm not sure how that's gonna fit, so we'll see from there. Obviously a rally car, they're gonna have stickers, you know, the flag of where you're from, and your name. So we're definitely gonna get those. Also rally cars for Subarus, they do have numbers, obviously, so we're gonna get the numbers as well. And if there's any other stickers, I have no idea what they get, but this car is gonna look crazy this summer. And yeah, there's a good chance I'm probably gonna get pulled over as the project rally car process gets better and better, so it's all right. All right, so that's it for today's video. You guys could expect another video by, I would say, Tuesday or Wednesday when I upload it. If not, the latest will be Thursday. I'll be uploading it. Today is Thursday. I try to upload as much as I can, but you know, like, the reason I'm not uploading much is because it takes time for me to place the orders, wait for the orders, and wait for it to get in and stuff like that. Again, I'm taking my time with this build. I'm not rushing into it at all. I want to make it right and make it proper. That way, when it comes for Wicked Big Meat, I definitely want to maybe register to win some prizes for either the loudest exhaust or best rally car look. I'm probably gonna need my friend's help with this. My friend who has the 04 Impreza, and some of his friends who have Subarus as well. I'm probably gonna strip out the interior just for that specific Wicked Big Meat event, which will look crazy. I've never done that before, so it's gonna be an amazing, crazy video for you guys. And if you have any suggestions or tips or advice on the rally build, let me know in the comments below. And what else? That's basically about it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember to smash that like button, guys. It's gonna help me a lot. And remember, let's get to 150 subscribers. That's another crazy half milestone for me. So let's get it there, guys. I know we can do it, and it's gonna be awesome. Car season is just in a few months, and I plan on racing this car in the summer and spring for sure. And until then, boys and girls, I'll see you very soon. Thank you guys very much for watching, and be safe out there, guys. Peace.